Hi Capricorn! Welcome back sa ating channel. Ako ay si Abby at isa akong intuitive reader. Before anything else guys, maraming salamat sa inyong suporta sa ating Tagalog reading channel. As you know, hindi tayo nakagawa ng July and August reading dahil sa mga kadahilanan na I was on medication and may tinatapos ako na review kasi may exam ako na nakaschedule nung August and gladly nakapasa naman tayo dun sa certification na yon, and I'm getting better now. It's just that parang nasa medication pa rin ako, continuous pa rin, inaantay ko lang yung ultrasound ko na susunod para malaman ko kung clear out na yung issue, yung health issue ko na yon. By the way, so guys, please pray for me, and thank you sa mga hindi bumitaw sa channel natin, sa mga followers natin na nag-aantay ng reading. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong suporta. So, enough of that. So, Capricorn, gagawin natin ang inyong monthly reading for the month of September 2023. Uunahin natin ang buhay pag-ibig ninyo. Intuitive messages, insights, mga advices, warnings, guidance, and short-term prediction from today all the way to September 2023. Sa larangan ng pag-ibig pagdating sa ating mga collective Capricorn. Okay? So, di tayo kukuha ng reversals dahil maraming mga negative cards naman na ang ating mga baraha when you read them upright. Okay? So, let's see. 5 cards para sa ating Capricorn. Okay? Sa larangan ng pag-ibig. So, nag-pre-shuffle na tayo ng mga cards yung Capricorn at sinashuffle lang ulit natin sila in front of the camera, and we will clarify each cards for you Capricorn para makapag-dive deep tayo sa inyong love situation. Second card. Okay. Alright guys, thank you sa inyong pagsuporta at sa hindi pagbitiw sa ating channel kasi talagang alam niyo, health is very important for you guys and para sa akin kasi if we're not feeling well, then we cannot function, okay? Physically and mentally and emotionally, okay? That's the number 1 priority above anything else, okay? So, i-shuffle lang ulit natin habang kumukuha tayo ng inyong mga cards. Sa larangan ng pag-ibig from today, all the way to September to Capricorn. 5 baraha. Hindi tayo kukuha ng mga lumilipad na baraha kasi naniniwala ako na sa traditional practice ng tarot, we have to honor and lay out the cards respectfully. Okay? Last card. Last card for our beloved Capricorn. Okay. So, let's start on your reading, Ang unang baraha, sa inyong love situation, Capricorn, meron kayong why. So, marami kayong question about the connection about this person you're dealing with, okay? Marami kayong hinahanap na kasagutan na hindi nyo pa na realize, okay? Or probably may miscommunication kayo ng person mo or dito sa connection na to, okay? So, why do I feel like parang hindi ka pa nakaka-let go? Okay? May mga lingering energies pa. Kasi when you're questioning something, meaning parang, hindi tayo ready na nagtapos or nagkaroon ng ending or walang closure, walang proper goodbyes, diba? Walang proper separation. You could be in no contact or in separation, pero I feel like parang temporary, Kasi maraming katanungan pa, okay? Maybe marami kang question dun sa person or meron kayong hindi na pagkakaunawaan, okay? Baka kailangan nyo lang talaga ng communication or i-patch up yung mga differences, okay? Now, second card, Capricorn, meron tayo ditong higher power, So, this is High Priestess to me. Major arcana to sa traditional tarot. So, meron tayong, knowledge or wisdom sa mga questions and katanungan mo, about the connection, relationship, whatever yung situation mo. So, be it in a relationship ka or in a marriage, or if you're single, you're dealing with a new person or a past ex, lover, or in a talking stage with someone, So, I feel like, yung mga questions mo dito, I think you will get the answers naman, It's more like, hindi siya yung knowledge that's coming from practical questions or No, hindi yun or practical answers. Okay? It's more divinely guided na mga katanungan. I sense na dapat to be able to get the answer or yung mga assurance na hinahanap mo from this person or the connection, you need to tap into your higher self, no? Subconsciously, yung inner wisdom mo, maybe you've been out of touch. Maybe some people masyado silang practical because Capricorn are earthly energies. Why don't you try to, tap into your inner self, no? Yung wisdom mo, maybe you're knowledgeable and spiritual. It's just that parang yung answers mo, dapat kailangan mo pang i-dive deep para magkaroon ka ng kasagutan. Why do you want this person back? Diba? Why do you need to let go of this person? Kung based sa kung ano man ang gusto mong plano or yung nagbabother ka, no, sa mga katanungan mo, maybe it's about time na mag-dive deep ka dun, i-probe mo, no, yung mga questions mo in need of answer. Bakit mo ba kasi hinahanap yun? Okay? Bakit hindi ka makalet go sa person? You need to tap into your subconscious mind, inner self, no, for that answer. Kasi, parang ang sinasabi dito, ikaw mismo ang makakahanap ng kasagutan. Or for example, no, in denial tayo na mahal natin yung tao, na let go mo, pero hindi mo makalimutan. Then it's a sign, no, na parang, maybe it doesn't feel right to let go of that person. That's just an example. Okay? Third card, Capricorn, no, meron si soulmate. So, may strong connection ka, may strong bond ka with this person, nakapag-establish talaga kayo ng deeper meaning. Maybe it's not a relationship. Kung single ka, nasa talking stage kayo, maybe matagal mo na siyang nakakausap, matagal mo na siyang kilala, or if you're in a relationship, marami na rin kayo napagdaanan. Kung sa marriage naman, matagal-tagal na rin kayo ng asawa mo, marami na rin kayong pinagdaanan na hindi basta-basta kailangan bumitaw. Diba? Kasi sa relationship, hindi naman puro masaya, diba? Hindi perfect. May mga pagsubok na pagdadaanan, may pagtatalo, okay? So, may strong soulmate connection ka with this person, okay? And it's undeniable. Kaya siguro, maybe, no, you need to tap into that. You need to realize na yung potential ng connection nyo is not something at the surface, kasi nakapag-build ka dito ng emotional bond. Okay, Capricorn? Now, fourth card, Yin. So, it could be kung wala kayong contact ng person na to, naghiwalay kayo, or may distance or separation right now, okay? Just keep the communication open. Don't block them. Don't ignore them, okay? Be receptive na makarinig ng news from this person about the connection. Alright? Yun yung tingin ko dito. Keep the communication open, okay? Para mag-flow. Mag-flow yung information, yung energy. Kasi may mga questions ka rito, di ba? So, don't block any communication or line of engagement with your person. Okay? Final card here. Meron tayong chaos and conflict. Okay. So, yung problem arises sa hindi pagkakasunduan. Okay. Whatever the deal is here, marami kasing scenario bakit may chaos and conflict, no? Kahit mag-asawa kayo in a relationship or in a talking stage ka, single ka, no? May mga differences yan. May pagtatalo. So, kayo na nakakaalam ko ano yung pagtatalo nyo, masyado ng personal yan. But, we will clarify each cards, okay? Kailangan natin mag-dive deep. Okay? So, let's clarify first yung I feel yung why, yung mga questions muna, no? Okay, ang daming katanungan na walang kasagutan. Ano ba tong you're anxious, alam mo yon, you're stressing out, bakit nangyari to? Pwedeng ganun. Pwede na you're anxious lang about this. Kung babalik ba yung person mo, kung magkakaroon pa ng second chances. Those things, no, that bothers you about the connection or this person's bothering you. Okay, bakit niloloko ka pa ng taong to? Kung naghahanap ka ng assurance, bakit hindi niya ba mabigay? Baka naman kasi alam mo yun, may asawa na. You know, those things. Marami tayong worries and anxieties when it comes to the connection or the person we're dealing with. Okay? Okay, let's see. Ano po itong why? Let's clarify why. Ano to? Okay, so meron kang peace. Okay? So, yun nga, no? Hindi mo, kasi sabi ko lang, you're maybe anxious, no? At the moment with this person. You want to be at peace. Pero yung peace na makakapagbigay sa'yo, no, yung peace of mind, I think it's coming from dito nga sa mga questions na iniiwasan or may mga bagay na hidden pa or mystery pagdating sa taong to and sa connection. Okay, that's the reason why medyo anxious tayo, no? Parang this person cannot give you peace at the moment. Okay? I'm not here to feed your delusions, guys. We will read the card and we have to honor the card as it is. Okay? Take whatever resonates here. Higher power, no? Divinely guided, divine timing at play. We see inner wisdom, subconscious knowledge mo, you need to tap into. Okay? Yung parang mag-deviate away ka muna sa mga practical answers and practical approach, no? Tingnan mo ulit ng second time around, yung scenario, yung situation, no? And try to look for deeper meaning and deeper answers and reasons, no? Value. Okay, ganon. Parang soul searching ka. Alam mo yung, you have the answer siguro, no? Pero parang, at the surface, yung answer mo, siguro ngayon, parang, kulang pa. Give this situation a second look. Okay? And tingnan mo sa iba't ibang perspective, you know? Mag-dive deep ka pa. Look for an answer na may substance. Okay? Or reason na may substance. Ano po tong higher power? Yeah, a leg up, no? So, it could be, you need to support each other. It could be you or it could be them. Okay? Na, kailangan sigurong back-upan mo rin to. Supportahan mo yung connection. Supportahan mo yung tao. Pwede rin siya sa'yo. So, maybe yung cooperation, yung collaboration mo, yung the way we engage on this connection, no, it requires, alam mo yun, it takes two to tango. Okay? I don't know why yun ang nararamdaman ko. It's the, parang may miscommunication lang or you're not in alignment with this person. Isa dito kasi, tingnan mo, mother bear is a baby bear. So, may immature energy. So, kailangan nating suportahan. Kung kailangan mo bang i-babysit or spoon feed. I don't know. Pero, yun yung nararamdaman ko dito. No? Parang, wala kayo kasi dun sa equal page nung tao na to. Maybe the way you think, mas matured ka sa kanya. Okay? Or, may, this person pwedeng ginagaslight ko. Or, hindi lang talaga sila matured. Okay? Hindi nila kayang pantayan yung energy mo, yung the way you see the relationship, you know? Okay? Medyo baby step siya. Could be you, could be them. Now, let's clarify yung soulmate, okay, guys? Ano tong soulmate connection na to? Sa ating collective Capricorn, meron tayong, okay, TikTok. Time is involved here, no? It's only a matter of time, or you could be waiting for this connection, no? To reunite with them, to reconcile with them. Okay, it's only a matter of time. It could also be na parang, alam mo yun, you're patiently waiting. It could also be impatiently waiting for this person, no, to come into union with them. Yun yung nararamdaman ko. Okay? But it could also be parang it's only a matter of time na magkakaroon kayo ng reconciliation. Like I said, kasi meron ka ditong yin, tapos may mga unfinished business ka dito na hindi mo na-clarify with this person at ganun siya sa'yo. Now, let's see, ano tong yin, no? Ano tong yin? So, poise. So, it's just a matter of parang maging optimistic pa rin tayo, guys. Okay? Yung poise na to is like parang hindi ka aware or oblivious ka sa danger, no? So, parang ina-enjoy mo yung moment mo, okay? Yun muna ang gawin mo, mag-focus ka sa sarili mo, enjoy yourself muna, no? Work on yourself. Pero, don't block this person. You still be open to engage with them. Kasi may timing na involved para bumalik or mag-reconcile or maging kayo nitong person na to. Okay? So, for the time being, just enjoy yourself muna, no? And yun nga, be receptive. Okay? Be receptive. Kung ano man yan, kung physically darating siya, welcome mo siya. 'Di ba? Kung magkakaroon, nag-wait ka ng text message, ng call, or text, or parang sa social media to, be open. Okay? Huwag mong i-block. Don't block any communication, line of communication, or involvement with them. Okay? Keep your connection with them close to you rin kung may mga common friends kayo. Okay? You could be receiving news. Okay? And yeah. Okay, ano tong chaos and conflict, no? So, may problema kayo nitong person mo, no? Pag-aaway, pagtatalo. Let's clarify. Meron ka no place like home. So, it could be a domestic situation, no? Na parang, kaya nga may peace dito, guys. Kinlarify yung kalituhan mo, no? Nalilito ka, no? Nasa confusion ka, no? Dito, bakit ko ba pinagtsatsagaan pa tong taong to? I've been through a lot with this person. So, why I'm still hanging in there? Pwedeng ganun, no? Na energy, no? So, right now, itong peace na to, mabibigay sa'yo kasi, parang ibibigay sa'yo only yung dating is, kapag nakuha mo yung kasagutan from this person, yung communication, maayos, pero yung chaos and conflict mo, rooted siya dun sa peace mo nga. So, you're not at peace right now. Kung nasa mesh situation ka, yung household mo, yung domestic situation mo, magulo din, no? You're wanting peace. Kasi ngayon, magulo yan. Yung pagsasama nyo. Could also be stability and security and foundation with this person. Hindi mo nakukuha. Because right now nga, magulo, okay? So, yun yung sinasabi doon, okay? Whether you're single or not, yung assurance, yung commitment, magulo ngayon, okay? Nalilito ka with this person. So, yun yung situation mo, but it's only a matter of time na magre-reconnect kayo nito. I think na kailangan mo talagang tulungan tong person na to level up to your where you are, no? The way you see a relationship. Maybe you're more mature in handling mga pag-aaway, 'di ba? So, sila hindi medyo childish kind of energy yung nakikita ko. Pero let's see, ano po tong TikTok na to? Para sa ating Capricorn. Ano tong TikTok na to? Para sa ating Capricorn. Okay? Ano tong TikTok? What's this time sa soulmate? Okay. Chop wood. Okay. You need to clean up the mess. So, there's a time involved here, no? There's an opportunity, not to waste, to start from a clean slate again with this person. Okay, yun yung nararamdaman ko, Capricorn. So, sana nag-resonate to, no? Kung babalik sila, it must be a clean start. Okay? So, sana nag-resonate sa inyo to, Capricorn, tong love situation nyo, no? Now, let's move on naman sa inyong career, money, and life situation, no? Reading. Okay? I'm not here to feed your delusions. We're here to give you guidance and insights about your situation. Okay? Now, 5 cards para sa ating collective Capricorn pagdating sa kanilang general life situation, money, and career. We will see. General life snapshot nyo. 5 cards, no reversal. Okay? Second card. Let's see. Capricorn, third card. You are the second highest, no, viewers and supporters ko last June. So, that's the reason why ginawa natin itong reading na to. I'm doing the reading based on the number of views and supports I'm getting, no, per zodiac sign. Fourth card. Para sa ating Capricorn. I-clarify natin isa-isa ang mga baraha. Okay. Final card. Alright, Capricorn. General life situation to. Sa trabaho, sa pera, at sa buhay. No? Pwede rin pumasok dito ang love life. Unang baraha, Capricorn, meron tayong the Justice card, Libra energy. You could be dealing with a Libra equality, no? So, something has been unfair. Na-tip off ba yung scale nyo? Medyo may imbalance ba right now in some areas of your life? Okay, this is major arcana. We will see. Second card. Ace of Swords, intellect. So, there will be, kasi Ace of Swords is about communication. Kung makikita mo sa love reading nyo, Capricorn, meron kayong yin, di ba? May yin card kayo. Kaya ayoko muna siyang ilhalo sa ibang bara. May yin card kayo. Meron kayong questions of why. Di ba? Kina-question nyo. Ayan, may yin card kayo. Like I said. Okay? So, sinasabi ko, keep the communication line open. Okay? With mga people na somehow hurt you, wag natin silang i-block, no? Kasi I think yung communication na to, yung news, okay, na inaantay nyo, it will bring balance, no? Sa area ng buhay mo na feeling mo may imbalance or hindi fair, okay? Now, third card, Capricorn, meron tayong the Chariot. Positive movement forward. Finally, this is a good major arcana card. Meaning kasi, magkakaroon na ng galaw yung or direction kung saan once na stuck or stagnant sa area ng buhay mo. Sa pera man yan, sa trabaho, sa career, or sa life mo. Kasi, you know, sometimes we do feel stuck, 'di ba? Parang walang nangyayari sa buhay natin no matter how hard we work, how we save up, parang may dumadating na problema na gagastos natin yung mga ipon natin, no? So, parang nandun lang tayo sa energy na kailan kaya ako magkakaroon ng parang, alam mo yon parang buffer or magiging ahead naman ako sa mga problema sa buhay na ready ako. Pag may dumating na problema, alam mo yun, hindi na use up yung savings ko, hindi naapektuhan yung trabaho ko, you know, parang prepared ka, yung lagi kang handa dapat. Ganun yung energy mo na kailan kaya ako darating sa point na yon, nasan yung breaking point na yon. At sinasabi dito na magkakaroon ng positive movement forward doon kasi nandyan din yung justice card sa katong news. These are good news, no? Yung Ace of Swords kasi may clarity. Kasi may questions ka, no? You cannot make this up, no? Yung unang baraha mo, di ba why? So it will bring you clarity, no? Kung saan area ka ng buhay mo na naguguluhan, Capricorn. Fourth card, meron kang Hermit, introspection. So, yun nga yung sinasabi rin natin. You cannot make this up kasi meron kang, yung sinabi ko kanina, guys, tingnan lang natin higher power. Yan yung introspection, di ba? Look for answers. Pero yung answer na kinakailangan mo, you need to tap into dun sa higher self mo, sa knowledge mo, sa wisdom mo, sa spiritual knowledge mo. Hindi lang siya yung answer na alam mo yung pag tinanong yung pangalan mo, can you tell me about yourself, for example? Tapos sasabihin niya, I'm Abigail, ganyan-ganyan, I'm a tarot reader. Then, magdadagdag ka mga backstory mo, syempre, di ba? So, parang yun yung sinasabi dito na dive deep, probe deep pa. Huwag kang gagawa agad ng action mo based lang dun sa mga answers na shallow. Okay? Ng mga information na shallow. Okay? You need to review carefully. Okay? Anything yan. Contract man yan, career decisions, mga big changes or parang redirection sa buhay mo. Magnilay-nilay muna bago gumawa ng mga big changes. Okay? Final card. Meron tayong Page of Wands, venture. So, yun nga. Ang page, curious sa buhay. Okay? So, may gusto kang i-venture, no? Could be a new business, bagong trabaho, bagong skills, kahit ano man yan, or pag-ibig man yan, no? Gusto mong kumilala ng mga iba't ibang tao. That's okay. Yeah? So, that's good to be curious, no? Pero, i-clarify natin isa-isa to, guys. Okay? Kahit sa anong area to ng buhay nyo, guys. Clarify muna natin tong equality, no? Something that has been unfair ba? Yun ba yung nararamdaman mo? Ano tong justice card? Meron kang the star. Okay, ito yung bagay. Itong feeling mong unfair, guys. Ito yung kailangan mong i-heal. Okay? Ito yung kailangan mo na pagtuunan muna ng pansin ngayon sa sarili mo. Sa pag-ibig ba itong kailangan mong i-heal? Doon ba sa career mo na, alam mo yung nag-build up ka ng empire, for example, tapos nag-crumble down? Sa negosyo, parang gano'n, for example, sa marriage ba yan na nag-crumble down, nagkaroon yung tower moment. Ito, whatever it is, yung parang feeling mo naging unfair, ito sinasabi dito, i-heal nyo siya, guys. Because there will be hope for you after this. Pag lumabas tong star card na to, it has this healing energy, tapos merong renewal, makaka-bounce back ka sa buhay mo. Okay? Yun yung sinasabi dito. Ngayon, ano tong Ace of Swords? Yung clarity. Kasi may questions ka dun sa love mo, no? Why do I feel like connected tong clarity na to dun sa mga questions mo rin sa buhay? Na meron ka ding Hierophant. So, itong clarity na to, sinabi dito, ang Hierophant are lessons learned. Okay? Major arcana. So, dumadaan ka sa mga major transition and transformation right now sa buhay mo, Capricorn. Okay? Yung Hierophant, pag lumabas yan, yung traditional tarot, si Pope yan. Okay? So, it's about moral lesson, moral code, moral behavior. It's about, is it in alignment ba sa mga paniniwala mo? Okay? Huwag mo i-compromise yung sarili mo, no? O yung information na matatanggap mo. Make it sure na in alignment siya sa something na good. Okay? Yung moral code mo, yung moral compass mo, don't lose it. Okay, Capricorn? Now, itong chariot na to, motion to, no? Which is good kasi may galaw na mangyayari sa'yo for September sa career or life mo in general, no? Even sa pera. Okay? Ano tong motion for our Capricorn? Let's see. Yung motion, guys, ang sabi, wow, major arcana. So, changes. Motion and changes. Bila ako makakuha ng ganito. Dalawang major arcana clarified each other, no? So, inevitable to, mangyayari to. Positive movement forward, wheel of fortune to, no? Kasi pag sinabi mo, since kinonfirm na ng wheel of fortune tong si chariot, so, sabihin na nating positive to. Okay? Kasi nandiyan ang chariot natin. Ang wheel of fortune kasi parang inuikot yung ruleta, no? It's about luck. Okay? So, may sprinkle of luck. I think it's good luck kasi nandiyan ang chariot. No, magkakaroon ng direction yung once na kung saan ka na stuck, kung saan may inequality, kung saan nangangailangan ng clarity sa kahit anong aspeto kasi ng buhay mo to, life reading to. So, I would say may good luck na kasama. Okay? May good luck na kasama yon. Okay? Since major arcana siya, ito yung something na binigay sa'yo, no? Hindi ito tinrigger ng ibang tao. It's just regalo ng Panginoon, blessing. Okay? Na yun, anong itong introspection, mga bagay na kailangan pag nilay-nilayan. Meron tayong page of swords, no? Inspection. See, may something talaga, guys, na the hermit, no? Nagsa-soul search ka. Tapos yung page of swords na to, no? Meron ka pang page of wands, inspection. So, it could be may nag-i-spy sa'yo, may nag-observe sa'yo from afar. It could also be ikaw to, na kailangan mo maiging i-review. Major arcana, tas minor arcana, introspection and inspection. May area sa buhay mo na hindi ka pwede basta-basta magde-decide ng padalos-dalos. Be careful. Kasi may major changes ka. So, pag mag-decide ka ng mga malalaking bagay, guys, hindi ito yung tipo na overnight mo lang pinag-isipan, may desisyon ka na kinabukasan na. It's a warning, no? Kung money to, be careful also to release money. Kung sa family situation or people around you, medyo kilalanin muna natin sila, no? Mag-backstory. Just be careful, okay? Yes, wag mong tingnan. Hindi ko alam bakit kasi lagi ko sinasabi, di ba, na yung answer na kinakailangan mo, aralin mo kung may substance or value. It could also be yung some people will try to fool you, no? They will give you an answer dun sa question mo. Huwag mo kagad iba-buy in, no? Kasi, yun nga pag nilayan, maigi. Okay? Huwag muna basta-basta magtitiwala dun sa mga words. Words are just words. We need proof. Okay? Inspect. So, ibig sabihin, there is something, like say sa contract, na dapat mong kinaklaro. Clarify. Magtanong ka. Kaya may questions din dun nalubas kanina. Could also be sa love. Okay? So, just be careful sa area ng buhay mo. Lalo na pag mga malalaking purchases or malalaking changes to sa buhay, no? Wag kang at the face value magtitiwala basta-basta. Okay? Be more aware or parang guided muna. Okay? Review. Patagalin. Huwag magde-decide basta-basta ng overnight. Yun yung tingin ko dito. Okay? Ngayon, page of wands, venture. May i-venture ka or it could be, may someone na interesado to venture or collaborate with you. Love man to, life situation, trabaho or sa pera, no? Kasi parang kung pera, pwedeng magpahiram ka ng malaki, no? You will trust someone, tapos sasabihin, babalik kasi may business venture. Kunwari, gano'n, no? So, just be careful, no? May introspection, pag-isipang maigi. Huwag basta-basta magbibigay ng malalaking halaga o kaya mag-purchase ng malalaking purchases na hindi naunawaan yung kontrata or tatanggap ng mga monkey business, no? We need to review carefully. Ano tong venture? So, meron tayong Two of Pentacles, flexibility, no? So, may areas sa life mo, it could be work also, or money. Medyo kailangan mong mag-deviate away sa lagi mo nang ginagawa. Okay? Be more flexible ang sinasabi dito. It could be juggling. Learn to juggle on one or many things. Hindi lang isa. Okay? One or many things. Okay? So, it could be side hustle. Kung kailangan mo ng side hustle. It could also parang, it could also be parang racket. Okay, pwede ring, ano to kung magko-consider ka to venture into something, mag-explore ka ng other options or alternative. Okay? Let's say, gusto ko ng negosyo, gusto mo, bibili akong condo, paparentahan ko. Yun lang ba talaga yung pwede mong i-business? Just one example. Okay? Yun nga kaya may pumapasok dito na introspection and inspection. Gumawa ka ng feasibility study. Okay, kung sa tao naman yan, mag-background check tayo muna maigi, di ba? Kung sa pera yan, wag tayong basta-basta magbibigay, maglalabas sa malalaking halaga, mga big purchases, like I said. Okay? So, yeah, Capricorn, sana nag-resonate tong Tagalog September reading nyo for you guys. And I see you guys on the next reading. Take care. God bless. Mahal ko kayo, Capricorn. Bye!